Hello. 6 months ago, no one could imagine that a flu caused by a coronavirus, which appeared in China, will reach a pandemic dimensions and paralyze the world, and with it, all sectors of the economy could stop indefinitely. People have to stay at home in quarantine and reinforce hygiene measures, apply social distancing, and wear face masks all the time in public. The dental sector wasn't exempt. Going to the dentist turned out to be very risky due to the aerosol handling, saliva, and blood during the dental consultation. It's the last place where it's recommended to go during the three contingency phase by COVID-19. With the present dilemma between whether dentistry is an essential activity or not, all kinds of positions appeared, some in favors and others against. Most of the opinions were based on fear and the excess of information provided by the media and the fake news, but no in journals. As a manager and owner of a dental clinic, within all this atmosphere of uncertainty, I must create an action plan that allows us to face the crisis in the best possible way. Understanding that every crisis also represents a moment of opportunity, and reordering not everything are bad news. An effective managerial analysis tool that allows understanding the internal and external environment of a company is the analysis of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. How a dental office faced the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic applying the SWOT analysis? Strength. How many clients make up your client portfolio? During the time that your clinic has been operating, you have surely served many clients. It is time to get in touch and establishing communication. Take advantage of your free time to send them an encouraging message for the situation. At this moment, your portfolio of loyal customers it can be become a challenge rate for your dental clinic. What are the ways you use to communicate with your customers? Currently, all people have a phone on hand. Send or receive free message by WhatsApp. It's time to rise to the next level and start using WhatsApp for business. There are tutorials on YouTube where you teach you a lot of tricks available for this app, such as programming automatic responses, creating ads, so your customer can send you direct message and share the information and to get branding positioned. It can be a training that you must maintain. That people know that you can to be a quick and direct contact with the dental clinic through our WhatsApp message. You can also make it a strict for your clinic. With what technical, professional resources and supplies do you have to face the crisis? Do you think there isn't too much to do because clients are not asking dental care appointment? You can use that available time to train your staff on urgent topics such as infection control and create a protocol for care patients that requires essential dentistry. After talking with your collaborators, identify with what you have, any which services are more requested, even with social isolation, and gather all the necessary medical supplies to be able to offer that type of services. The best competitor will be the one that is the most adapted to the new normal. Take the opportunity to give maintenance supports. Make the necessary repairs for equipment you work with, So, there will be the best condition when you turn to work regularly. We know that fixed expenses such as rent, electricity, telephone, internet, and other services will have to be paid. Check your finances and determine how much money you have to face the crisis. Check your insurance policy. Some clauses can cover unemployment and contingencies. Weaknesses. Most small businesses have a pure presence on social networks. It's time to create value contents that you can upload to your networks and share with your public. The important thing is to be present in a positive way so that your potential client find you. For example, share a video about the actions you are taking to adapt to COVID-19. It can be useful and well dressed. We cannot open the top clinic every day, and not urgent treatment should be avoided that generate a result and prioritize control of pain and dental infections. They can put the life of the patient in danger. Send your patients a message about a new schedule and how to contact of you if you need an appointment. Use sources reliable information such as biosecurity manual published by the WHO will be of very useful to use it as reference for a dental office environment. Opportunities. There is a less competition offering dental care right now. When a person has a dental problem that generates severe pain, will have to contact a dentist during the pandemic. Most are not working now. If you have all the protections and technical resources, you can take advantage of this emergency market. And don't forget to ask your customer to leave your public comments on social networks so that others potential customer can read them and make a decision to request attention with you. Not all companies have been concerned with about a positive reputations in social networks. There is a lot of work to do done in this area. Answering things, answering customer complaints. It should not be a weakness of a country. You can turn it into an opportunity that your potential customer read. Read how you respond to these complaints. So be patient, prudent, and respectful with the answer, and be impeccable with the use of the words. Remember that you are representing a professional company. The dentist page with the best comments are those who will always be chosen over all others. Looking to be different from the competition, you can take advantage of the technology you have. For example, announce that you offer online consultations. Few dentists are doing it, and you will surely differentiate yourself. Threats. The high prices of disposable dental supplies and disinfectants threaten the finances and operation of your clinic. Do a search for the providers that offer the best prices and review your booking supplies. Adjust price if necessary, but be sure to keep prices competitive. Don't forget that many people are not generating incomes. Health personnel are exposed to the risk of infection from acquiring COVID-19. Use equipment recommended by the health authorities for clinical practice. Consider each patient as a potential infectious and reinforce your hygiene measures. Make sure that the health insurance is current and updated in case of requiring them. The vigilance of the health authorities will increase. The objective of the health authorities is to protect against health risk. So review your process and protocols. Keep all your documents in order. The customer will have loss of purchasing power. Offers payment options, such as payments to months without interest and fixed fees. Identify your expectations and propose a plan that suits your abilities. Conclusions: the situation caused by COVID-19 has positive and negative aspects that can be discussed widely. The companies that survive this severe crisis are the ones that adapt and apply actions that allow them to get the best out of the circumstances. Make your own action plan applying the SWOT analysis to your company. Thanks by the attention.